Hi again, welcome back to Greenius. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about how to build your own custom content within Greenius. If you've got your own training videos that you like to use, either in-house recorded or maybe ones that you found on either YouTube or Vimeo, you can actually upload those videos into your Greenius training library and include those as part of your course content to deliver to your team members. To do that, I'm going to go through the steps. They're really quick, they're really easy. First and foremost, though, we do need to go into our training library. Once we're in our training library, we're going to go into our course builder section. This is then going to give us the step-by-step what we need to do to get that course built out. So first thing I want to do, I obviously want to add the title of the course. In this instance, we're going to be doing a course on how to use and operate a V500 zero-turn stand-on gas mower from Husqvarna. Once we've got our topic in there, title, we're going to choose the language of the video. Is it in English or is it in Spanish? For today's example, we're going to be doing an English video. If I want to tag any of the videos, we can definitely do that, make for quick, easy searching later on down the road once it's in our account. And also, if we've got a brief description that we want to include for the course, we can make sure that we add that in as well. So for today's exercise, I'm not going to put a tag or a description in because if I'm being 100% honest with you, I can't think of one at the moment. So once we've got everything set and ready to go, we're simply going to select next, and then we can come in and we can add our chapters. So maybe we've got a topic and it's got just a single video that we want to put in, or maybe we've got multiple videos. Each video is going to be considered a chapter. So in this case, again, I'm just going to use the same title of how to use and operate a V500 zero-turn gas mower. I'm going to then include my link, and this is a video that I just found on YouTube. So I'm going to include my YouTube link, and then again, if I have a description that is specific to this video, I can put that in here. Once that's done, I simply select Save Chapter. Now, as I mentioned, if I've got multiple videos, the videos are going to be considered a chapter. So if I had a second video or a third video about how to use and operate the V500, I can go ahead and I can add them in. And additionally, as you'll see on the right-hand side, each chapter, each video will be listed there once that's done. From here, once I've got all of everything that I need in all of my videos, I can select the next option. And now I get the opportunity to create a quiz. So if I want to test my team members on their knowledge that they received in the video, I can select to turn this on. And when I do that, I'm going to go through and I'm going to write out the quiz. Now, obviously, you want this information or the quiz to be relative to the content of the video so that your team members are actually able to answer the question. So question one, I might say something like, how to fuel the mower, right? Something very quick and simple. And then I want to give my answers. So I'm going to say answer one, fuel type, or maybe say gas, and then diesel. Yeah, type today, apparently, I apologize. I'm just gonna do a spell check because that's what I need to do. And then I can continue in and add however many answers that I want. When I want to indicate which is the correct answer, I'm gonna select the little dot beside the correct answer. From here, I'm gonna save the question. Apparently I've got multiple questions in here. I don't need that third one, so I'm going to delete that out. So I've just got the two, and then I'm going to save that question. And I will continue on and create the quiz with as many questions as I would like to have asked of my team. Typically within Greenius, our exams are 15 questions long. So if you want to emulate that, 15 questions is what you're looking at. If you'd like to have less or more, you have that functionality available to you as well. So you just continue the same process until you get through all of the different questions that you want to ask of your team. Once you're done, you're happy with how things are going, you can simply come in here and select next. When that is done, the final step in creating your course is to determine A, do I want to create a checklist, or B, I don't want to create a checklist. The checklist itself is going to be a practical knowledge check that you would do in the field with the piece of equipment, where you would say, show me how to do this, show me how to do that, show me how to do the next thing. And then from there, you're going to have a list of points that you want to make sure your team members are hitting before you can give them the final sign off saying, yes, we're happy with your knowledge base and we're confident in your abilities going out into the field. This is an option. You don't have to do it just like the quiz, but if you do want to create a checklist, you'll toggle that option on, and you're again going to come in and say, how to view all. And then again, from here, we're going to give our items that we want. So we're going to put on level ground. And then we're going to say correct fuel type. And then we're going to say remove the gas cap, fill the mower, and then we're going to say replace the gas cap. Okay, once that's done, I can save that checklist topic. And then I can go in and I can add additional topics. I might want topics like checking the air filter on this one. How do I do that? Or I want to see them take a 3-line pass. What do I need to do? How do we make sure that they're getting that done? We want to make sure that the deck is set to the right height. Everything is free and clear of debris. We're not going to be running over any hazards, like let's say an irrigation head, anything of that nature. So the sky is the limit with what you want to put into your checklist topic, but do keep in mind you want the checklist to refer back to the videos. You don't want to necessarily be asking them content that was not contained in the video. If you do want to add in a few pieces to customize them to this is the way our company does it, just realize that when you're going through the checklist, you are going to have to go in and make sure that you teach them those points because it would not have been covered off in the video. Once everything is done, I can simply publish this course and we can see now I've got a few different courses that I've created here, but here is my how to use and operate a V500 zero-turn stand-on mower. Okay, so that is now set in my library. I can find it right within the course library as well. I can do a quick search and we'll see here how to use and operate. This course is now ready to be either assigned to your team members as a standalone course, or we can include them in our mandatory courses based off of the divisions and mandates that we have set up in our account. I hope this has been helpful. Hope you all have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye now.